Two areas of concern. One of them we're not going to talk about too much right now. This is that tropical wave that works its way towards the Yucatan, southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It does have a good chance of becoming something, about a 50-50 shot, but it is going to be working its way quickly into Mexico. So then we're talking about this tropical rainstorm organizing here possibly in the next couple of minutes, if not the next few hours. So tomorrow morning, we could actually be talking about a true organized tropical system that's working its way towards the Caribbean and next week. So this is still in the Caribbean as we go through the 4th of July holiday. It's something that the U.S. needs to watch very closely, but likely, at least through the 4th, is going to be more of an impact for the Caribbean than anything across the U.S. But you can see where that wind field will set up for us, especially as we get through Tuesday into Wednesday time frame across Jamaica. That's going to be one of those concerns where winds will be up. So if you have any travel plans for the holiday to the Caribbean, this is going to be a player here. It's also going to mean rainfall, unfortunately. Jamaica, they're looking at 4 to 8 inches of rain, but as you look towards the Isle of Hispaniola, we're looking at probably around that 1 to 2 inch, maybe even 2 to 4 inch for some portions of Haiti. So that's really what we're talking about with this storm, that rain and wind field moving through the central Caribbean. AccuWeather has been proven. Welcome back to AccuWeather Ahead. By now, many of us have seen this video of a couple in China being hit by lightning earlier this month. The man was rushed to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, while his companion only suffered minor scratches. With Lightning Safety Week wrapping up, Bernie Reno spoke with AccuWeather Chief Meteorologist John Porter about how you can stay safe when storms are near and how AccuWeather's new lightning notifications can help you plan for severe weather this summer. But as we look across the nation and get ready for the 4th of July, there will be some pattern changes for us. So for Philadelphia, it's going to be a few more threats for storms in the upcoming days. But for the western U.S., high pressure building in, drier weather, especially the holiday and beyond. So this is really going to ramp up Thursday into Friday, where record highs will be challenged across the state of California. So Independence Day, that heat is building through the Central Valley and beyond. Places like Las Vegas feeling the heat. 4th of July, though, we'll also have the showers and thunderstorms from the Dakotas to Kentucky and Tennessee up through Maine is where we have that threat for thunderstorms, and it's going to possibly change some of your plans. Chicago, we've been highlighting your risk for thunderstorms for the 4th of July itself. That's still there for us. St. Louis, you could see a few thunderstorms, but we're still going to be very hot. We're on the fringes of the bubble of that heat. So if you have outdoor plans in these cities, make sure you're prepared to possibly bring them inside, because I think for Chicago, those storms are looking a little bit more like 10 range for places like Little Rock, for example, all through the lower Mississippi River Valley. That's where we have the heat. If you've got fireworks or drone shows to attend, the concern will be around the Midwest and the Great Lakes into the interior Northeast. That's where Mother Nature will be putting on its own light show in the form of showers and thunderstorms, especially. As you work your way towards the west, though, things will be much quieter in the skies. AccuWeather has been this weekend across the eastern U.S. We do know it's stormy, plus we have that heat dome building in Texas, but the western U.S., fairly warm as we get a little bit of moisture into the northwest. So for places like Portland, clouds increasing as we head through the day, temperatures in the upper 70s, spotty sprinkle pop those thunderstorms. Portland, not a bad day for you in the upper 70s. How do we move on as we go into the holiday week? Well, there will be some rain through some of the northern Rockies, watching out for some thunderstorms. Otherwise, the warmth is kicking in, and this is the beginning of a new ridge building up. This ridge is going to really ramp up and intensify, high pressure, if you will, as we head through the middle and later part of the week. So the 4th of July and beyond, the numbers go up. Just look at Tuesday and Wednesday in California, Sacramento, 109 for that high. We keep things pretty hot for Thursday and Friday. There will be record challenging highs as we go through the middle of the week in California, so this is going to be hot.